everyone, it's me Roxanne, and I'm back with a new video featuring the Singer Quantum Stylus 9960. In this segment I will be showing you how to use the rolled hem foot that came with this fabulous machine. So stay tuned. Here's the rolled hem foot that I'm going to show you how to use today, and this came with the 9960 in the regular accessories package. This is a regular snap-on foot and it installs easily just like all of your other snap-on feet. What I want you to notice is on the front of the foot, right in this area, there's a corkscrew that's cast right onto your foot. Now when you feed the fabric into the foot, your fabric will be turned over twice and then it will be fed through where it stitches right here in this area. So let me show you how to install it and how to use it. Here I am at the front left side of the sewing machine, and I'm going to show you how to remove presser foot B. On the back of the shank there's a black button. Simply press that and your foot will release. Since the rolled hem foot is also a snap-on foot, place that underneath the shank. Lower your presser foot lever and it will snap right into position. Before I get started on my demo showing you how to use the rolled hem foot, I wanted to show you a few common practical applications using this foot. This is the shirt tail hem of one of my son's tailored shirts. And as you can see, a very nicely done rolled hem on this shirt. Another very common use for the rolled hem foot is hemming a silk scarf. It looks like they used a narrower rolled hem foot for this application, but you can see how nice and neat the hem is done on this beautiful silk bordered scarf. And another application is this chiffon sleeve on one of my blouses. They've used the rolled hem foot to go around the sleeve and hem it beautifully. I even have a tip for going over thicker areas such as seams. Here I am at the front LCD screen. I want you to notice that the needle is in the center position and that it shows that I'm using presser foot A. You're not going to see the rolled hem foot show up on your LCD screen, so don't be disturbed by that, it's normal. I also set my stitch to a 3.0, which is lengthening it just a little bit. I have my sewing machine set up with black thread in the top and I have a light green in the bottom. What I'd like you to be aware of is that when you're doing a rolled hem stitch, the bottom or the bobbin thread is the one that will be seen on the front of the fabric. So make sure that you keep that in mind when you decide which thread you're going to be using. For my demo, I will be using the same woven 50/50 poly cotton fabric that I use for all my demonstrations. The first thing you need to do is roll over your fabric on the edge about 1/4 inch and finger press that. Then you're going to roll your edge into that line and back over. And that's how you're going to start with your rolled hem foot. We're going to place this now into under the foot and let the needle drop down into the fabric. Just turn your hand wheel by hand, and that's how you'll start. Now the next part can be a little bit tricky, so I'm zoomed in so that I can give you a good look at what I'm doing. If you tip the foot back just a little, you'll notice that right here there's a little split between where the little corkscrew starts and this other little flat area. What you'll want to do is pull your fabric up through that flat area and into the corkscrew. Now it's fed into that little feeder so that it will turn the fabric over twice and stitch. Now place your presser foot down. Now with your left hand, you'll want to feed the fabric and make sure that it's even as you go along. It takes a little practice, but once you get the hang of it, it goes along very smoothly. And look at how nice that little rolled hem is. Pick it up and pull it out of the machine and show you the right side. You can see the green is there on the right side and the black is on the wrong. So here's a better look at the finished rolled hem. This is the wrong side, and you can see how nicely that folded over and stitched right along the edge. And this is the right side, where I have that light green thread. Doesn't that make a nice rolled hem? Now I have a couple tips for you for when you're using this application. If you're going to use a chiffon fabric that may fray very easily, take a minute and use a little fray check. Just seal off those edges nicely so that you'll get a smooth finish as you use your rolled hem foot. And the other tip I have for you is when you come to a seam and it's a little bit heavy, drop a little bit of Fabri-Tac glue in that area just to secure that edge so that when it goes through the rolled hem foot, it feeds smoothly. So I hope you found these tips helpful. Well, thank you for stopping by today and watching my latest video featuring the Singer Quantum Stylus 9960. With this machine becoming a more and more popular machine every day, I want you to be able to have the tools you need to learn how to use each one of the wonderful accessories that come with this great machine. Have a happy creative day now. Bye.